Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make your very own paper airplane. And we're going to start by turning this into this. And the design is fast, easy, simple, it applies to Farthest, and is very effective against facing your friends. Let's jump into it.
Let's begin by folding the piece of paper in half. Then grab one edge of the paper and fold it like a triangle. Repeat the process for the other edge. Now let's shape the wings. Repeat the same type of fold we did in the last step. Now, do the same fold again 2 more times on both sides of the paper. Make the same fold for the second time. Here's a tip. Make sure to smooth out each line with your finger after you make each fold. Now, grab the edge nearest to the middle of the plane and pull it out. And we're done. Here's another tip. You can make little cuts on the edges of the aircraft to improve lift.
Alright guys, I'm here in my backyard, and to show you how good this design actually really is, I'm going to test it right now just for you guys, so make sure to subscribe. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, guys, it went so far.
Two hours later.
Oops, flew on my roof. And that marks the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe and comment down below if this design worked for you. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.